This is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be showing you Continue, which is essentially an open source alternative to GitHub Copilot. What it allows you to do is plug in different models such as Sonnet, GPT 3.5, GPT-4. You can plug in your Ollama models, you can plug in Groq, and a ton of different other options. It's free on VS Code and JetBrains. Let me show you how to get started. I'm going to be showing you in VS Code, but I'd imagine there's a similar setup for JetBrains as well. To get started with the extension, just go ahead, search for Continue on the extension marketplace in VS Code. If you're using VS Code, go ahead and install it. And then the first thing that you're going to want to do as soon as you install it is go ahead and drag this over to the right-hand side here. If we just put that there, now we have it on this panel, and you can go Command Option L to toggle it off and on Mac at least. It's also going to be a similar command if you're using Windows. If you have it installed, you can go ahead and select from the handful of free models that they have here. So if you want to try, say, Claude 3 Sonnet, I can just go ahead, write me a hello world express server, and you can see it's really quick, it's really nice, it's intuitive. You can go ahead and Command Shift Enter to accept it, or Command Shift Backspace to reject it. You can also accept it line by line if you'd like. And then I can highlight pieces of code if I want. I can go ahead, Command L, puts it over here. I can say, what is this doing? And there, it's giving me a nice little description. But the thing that I really like about this is, say if you wanted to add different models, there's a ton of different providers here. So if I just open this up a little bit, you can see there's OpenAI, there's Anthropic, there's Cohere, there's even things like Ollama, Together AI, and then, as my channel probably likely knows, there's Groq. To set up a new model, you have a couple options. So you can go ahead, put in your API key, select the model here, or alternatively, you can always just open up the config.json. Here, that's what I did for the Groq model. So now that it's in here, I can go ahead, I can go down here, can select to run Groq. And then a similar thing is if I just go ahead and I say Command L, once that I have it all set up, I can again try and do this again. I could say the hello world server that takes in a message and a model name. There you go. It's like instant, right? So that's that Groq feel within VS Code. Easy, right? So right now you can go ahead and get a PI key from Groq. And then there you go. You can just go ahead and accept it. So Command Shift Enter. If I want to edit it, I can highlight it. I can go Command I, and I can write the edit, and I could say change this to next. And then there you go. You can go Command Enter. Boom, done. Really great. If you want to use Ollama, you can do that as well. So you could go Ollama run Llama-3. And then once it's all up and running, you can go ahead, select your Llama-3 model or whatever model you're running. And then similar thing, you can run that all for free locally on your machine if you want it. So if I do the same thing, hello world express server, there you go. Now it's streaming out from Ollama. There's a ton of different features in here. There's slash commands that you can use. You can also import different files if you want. So if you want to ask a question of a particular file, you can go ahead, select the file that you want to go into, and you can say what is within this file. You can go ahead, select it, ask questions about it just like that. There's a ton built into this. I just wanted to do a really quick video highlighting it for you. Congrats to the team over at Continue. This is incredible work. I'm really excited to see how this project evolves over time. I'd encourage you, go over to GitHub, start a repo. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Otherwise, until the next one.